Ever stared at your Neon balance and wondered, how can I get more money in there, and fast? You're not alone. The digital wallet world can feel a little like a maze, especially when you're trying to figure out the most efficient way to top up your account. Whether you're a recent convert to the convenience of Neon or a longtime user looking for a quick refresher, you've probably asked yourself this very question. Well, good news. Adding money to your Neon account is a surprisingly straightforward process, and it's designed to fit your life, not the other way around. No need for complex bank forms or long lines. Just a few taps on your smartphone and you're ready to go. The beauty of a digital financial tool like Neon is its simplicity. It's all about putting you in control, giving you the power to manage your finances from the palm of your hand. So, let's peel back the curtain and look at the different ways you can add funds to your Neon wallet. The most common and popular method, and the one you'll probably use most often, is via a PIX transfer. PIX is Brazil's instant payment system, and it's a game changer. It's free, it's fast, and it works 24/7. To use it, you'll first need to get your Neon PIX key. You can find this easily within the app. Just look for the Add Money or Deposit option, and it'll guide you to create your unique PIX key. Once you have it, you can use it like a digital address. You can send it to friends or family who want to pay you, or you can use it to transfer money from another bank account you own. The funds will appear in your Neon balance almost instantly. It's like magic, but with code. Another fantastic option, especially if you're transferring a larger sum or prefer the traditional route, is a bank transfer, also known as a TED or DOC. While not as instant as PIX, these transfers are a reliable and secure way to move money. You'll need to get your Neon bank details, your bank code, agency number, and account number from the app. You'll then use these details to initiate a transfer from your other bank account. Just be aware that these transfers usually only process during business hours, so if you do it on a Friday afternoon, you might not see the money until Monday. What if you have cash you want to deposit? Neon has you covered there too. You can generate a boleto within the app. A boleto is essentially a bill you can pay. You create it for the amount you want to deposit, and then you can take it to any bank, lottery house, or even many supermarkets to pay with physical cash. Once paid, the money is usually credited to your Neon account within 1 to 3 business days. This is a great solution for those who deal with cash regularly and want to move it into their digital wallet. Finally, a quick pro tip: if you're receiving your salary in another bank and want it to go directly into your Neon account, you can set up salary portability. This is a simple process that you can initiate right from the Neon app. You'll provide your employer's details, and from then on, your salary will be automatically transferred to your Neon account on payday. It's a set-it-and-forget-it solution that ensures your money goes where you want it, right from the start. So, whether you're using the lightning-fast PIX, a reliable bank transfer, the cash-friendly boleto, or the automated convenience of salary portability, Neon gives you multiple ways to stay in control of your money. It's all about providing you with the tools to make your financial life easier. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.